What if one cookware set could replace almost everything in your kitchen while saving tons of cabinet space? This Amazon bestseller is doing exactly that. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen without spending a fortune, the Astercook 21-piece ceramic cookware set is one of Amazon's hottest cookware deals right now. With 21 essential pieces, this set gives you everything you need for everyday cooking, from breakfast and weeknight dinners to family meals and meal prep. One of its biggest highlights is the removable handle system. Simply click the handle on when you're cooking, then remove it when you're finished. It makes serving, cleaning, and storing your cookware incredibly easy while saving valuable cabinet space. If you live in an apartment, RV, or have a smaller kitchen, the stackable design is a huge advantage, helping keep everything organized. The premium ceramic non-stick coating allows food to release easily with less oil, making cooking healthier while cleanup takes just minutes. Even better, the coating is PFOA-free, giving you extra peace of mind every time you cook. Built from durable aluminum, the cookware heats evenly for consistent cooking performance and works with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops, making it compatible with almost any kitchen. Need to finish a meal in the oven? Simply remove the handle, and the cookware is ready to go. It's no surprise this cookware set has earned the #1 bestseller spot in kitchen cookware sets on Amazon, backed by thousands of positive customer reviews. If you'd like to check today's Amazon price, available discounts, and verified customer reviews, click the first link in the description before this deal ends. For under $60, it's one of the best cookware values you'll find for a complete kitchen upgrade. If you enjoy discovering the best Amazon kitchen gadgets and cookware deals, don't forget to subscribe because we feature the best Amazon finds every single week. And if you're interested in the Astercook 21-piece ceramic cookware set, check the Amazon link in the description for today's latest price, special discounts, and verified customer reviews before making your purchase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.